A hazardous situation has been reported in Jefferson County, near the town of Bessemer. At approximately 2:45 p.m. CDT, a fire broke out at a fireworks storage facility located off Highway 150. As a result of the fire, multiple fireworks are discharging uncontrollably, posing a significant risk to surrounding areas. Large explosions and airborne debris are a concern. This is a dangerous situation. Shelter in place immediately. Instructions: remain indoors. All residents within a 5-mile radius of the facility are advised to remain indoors until further notice. Close all windows and doors. Seal gaps under doors and windows with towels or blankets. Turn off all ventilation systems, including air conditioning and fans, to prevent the entry of smoke and debris. Avoid windows. Fireworks and debris are being propelled at high speeds. Stay away from windows and glass doors. Monitor local media. Stay tuned to local television, radio, or NOAA weather radio for updates. Do not attempt to travel to the affected area. First responders are on the scene. Hazardous materials crews are en route to assess the situation. Emergency services have secured the surrounding roads. Please do not call 911 unless you are in immediate danger. This shelter-in-place order remains in effect until further notice. Updates will be provided as more information becomes available.